everybody. In this video, we shall be studying lesson number 1.5, Seeing Eyes, Helping Hand. What is Seeing Eyes, Helping Hand? It is a project which has been initiated by New Vision High School. So, in this lesson, we shall be studying three kinds of invitation: a formal invitation, a written notice, and oral invitation. But before starting with the lesson, you must know what is formal, informal, and oral invitation. A formal invitation is that invitation which follows a dignified form. It is established with norms and values. Norms means what? Rules. जब किसी respectful person या guest of honor maybe in school या office में invite करने के लिए use करते हैं, उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? Formal invitation. Okay? It is in a printed form. Whereas informal invitation is generally used to invite our friends, relatives, or our dear ones. And it is also in printed form. What is oral invitation? Oral invitation means when we invite someone verbally or in person or on phone. जब हम किसी को फ़ोन पर या पर्सनली जाकर इनवाइट करते हैं तो उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? ओरल इनविटेशन. Now look at page number 16, lesson number 1.5, Seeing Eyes, Helping Hands. Everyone in New Vision High School was busy. The inauguration of the project Seeing Eyes Helping Hands was scheduled to take place next week. It was getting late for sending out the invitation. At last, the principal herself prepared the formal invitation. The art teacher and her student made copies of it. Here is a sample of what they did. So everyone in the school were busy, and the inauguration means opening, okay, opening of the project Seeing Eyes Helping Hands was scheduled to take place next week. Schedule means it was planned, okay, the opening of the project was planned next week. And so as it was getting late for sending invitation, principal herself prepared the formal invitation, and our teacher and her student prepared copies of it. New Vision High School में प्रोजेक्ट सीइंग आइज हेल्पिंग हैंड्स नेक्स्ट वीक इनॉग्रेट होने वाला था. तो प्रिंसिपल ने एक फॉर्मल इनविटेशन बनाए एंड आवर टीचर एंड हर स्टूडेंट मेड कॉपीज ऑफ इट. सो हियर इज द सैम्पल ऑफ फॉर्मल इनविटेशन. लेट्स स्टडी इट्स फॉर्मेट. ऑन द टॉप इट इज रिटन, we solicit your presence at the inauguration of the project Seeing Eyes Helping Hands. So on the top, a polite sentence is being used for inviting. At the hands of Srimati Vimla Naik, former principal of New Vision High School and President Sahayak Samaj, Dr. A.M. Chaudhary, Dean, New Life Medical College and Hospital, has kindly agreed to preside over the function. So the inauguration is going to happen by the hands of Srimati Vimla Naik and Dr. A.M. Chaudhary. Dean means what? Head of college is also going to come, okay, to inaugurate. वहाँ पे कौन कौन आने वाला था? श्रीमती विमला नायक and Dr. A.M. Chaudhary. Srimati Vimla Naik is a former. Former means someone from the past. Okay, so she is a former principal of New Vision High School and president of Sahayak Samaj. And Dr. A.M. Chaudhary is a dean of New Life Medical College and Hospital. Okay, and next thing shown in the invitation card is the time and venue. Venue means what? Place. Okay, where the program is going to be held. टाइम एंड वेन्यू इज़ द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग, राइट. जिसे हम इनवाइट करते हैं उन्हें पता होना ज़रूरी है कि प्रोग्राम कब है, कहाँ है और कौन से टाइम पर है. टाइम 10 AM to 11 AM, Sunday 9 July 2017. Venue Assembly Hall, New Vision High School, off Main Street, Girgaon. So the time mentioned here is 10 AM to 11 a.m. on Sunday 9 July 2017, and venue, that is the address, is Assembly Hall of New Vision High School of Main Street, Girgaon. Then the name of the principal, that is Suhani Ambekar, is being mentioned. And at the end, on the left side, the name of the teacher in charge of this project, Seeing Eyes Helping Hand, is mentioned. Who is it? It is V.S. Ajinkya. Okay, and on the right side, name of the student secretaries, that is Komal Sehlar and Nitin Walke, is being mentioned. So you can see that the formal invitation is in a proper format. Okay, यहाँ पे क्या हुआ है, proper format use किया गया है. Turn the page. A notice was also been put on a notice board to invite the student and parents to inaugurate the function, right? Notice board पर भी written notice लगाई गई थी students और parents को invite करने. So this is a type of informal invitation. ये क्या है, एक written notice informal invitation है. Also, a notice was put on the school notice board to invite the student and parents to the inaugural function. Look at the format. In this notice at the top, it is clearly mentioned that notice student of standard 7th and their parents are invited, okay, to the inauguration of the project Seeing Eyes Helping Hands at the hands of Srimati Vimla Nayak, former principal of New Vision High School and president of Sahayak Samaj. Dr. A.M. Chaudhary, Dean, New Life Medical College and Hospital, has kindly agreed to preside over the function. Again, the time and venue is also written. Time, that is 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. Sunday 9 July 2017. Venue, that is Assembly Hall, New Vision High School of Main Street, Girgaon. So this is what, this is a written notice. In this notice also at the top, it is clearly mentioned that this notice is to invite the student of standard 7th and their parents for inaugural function. And the same details of the function is being given. That is, the name of the project is also given, name of the guest of honor, the time, venue. Okay, you can easily differentiate between the two formats. Formal invitation कैसा है, वो certain format, ये certain rule follow कर रहा है. Okay, whereas in informal, that is in the written notice, it is just in a simple form, or you can say in a casual form, right? So next we are going to study the oral invitation. Teacher made phone calls to some special invitees. Here is a sample of one such telephone conversation. Now, the teacher also invited the special invitees. Invitees means to whom we are inviting. Okay, teacher invited them through phone calls. Let's study the sample. This is in a dialogue form. Receptionist: Hello, Girgaon Times. Teacher: Good morning. I am Vishwas Ajinkya from New Vision High School. Could I speak to your news editor, Mr. Shashank, please? Receptionist: Just a second. Teacher: Thank you. So, when the teacher make a call, receptionist received it and said, Hello, Girgaon Times. Girgaon Times, it means that teacher had called in newspaper office. Then the teacher said good morning, introduced himself and asked could he speak to news editor Mr. Shashank. Teacher ने good morning बोले, खुद को introduce किए as विश्वास अजिंक्य and पूछे कि वो क्या वो news editor Mr. Shashank से बात कर सकते हैं. So the receptionist said 1 second, एक second रुको, and teacher said thank you. News editor: Hello Mr. Ajinkya, Shashank speaking. How are you? Teacher: Fine. How are you? News editor: Fine. Teacher: Mr. Shashank, I have a request. I am calling from New Vision High School. Our school is starting a new social work project. The inauguration is on the coming Sunday. We are sending you the official invitation today. Then its news editor who is speaking. He said hello to Mr. Ajinkya Shashank speaking. How are you? Okay, teacher replied that I am fine, and he asked the same casual question, how are you? So news editor replied fine. ऑब्वियसली हम किसी को भी कॉल करते हैं तो पहले उसका हालचाल ही पूछते हैं, फिर मेन रीज़न या मेन बात पे आते हैं. सो then teacher said that he is calling from New Vision High School and their school is starting a new social work project, okay, whose inauguration is on coming Sunday, so we are inviting you. News editor, I see. Teacher, our idea is to make our student aware of their social responsibilities. It will be a big project and we hope it will set a trend for all school to follow. We would like your paper to cover the function prominently. News editor said, I see. The teacher replied what? The teacher explained the details of the project, that is, it is to aware the students of their social responsibilities. हम चाहते हैं कि स्टूडेंट को उनके सोशल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज़ के बारे में पता चले और ये बहुत बड़ा प्रोजेक्ट है जो एक ट्रेंड सेट करेंगे और दूसरे स्कूल भी उसे फॉलो करेंगे. एंड ही ऑल्सो सेड दैट कवर द फंक्शन इन द पेपर प्रोमिनेंटली. प्रोमिनेंटली मीन्स व्हाट? अट्रैक्टिवली, कि तुम इस प्रोजेक्ट को कवर करो, यानी इसके बारे में न्यूज़पेपर में भी अच्छा लिखो. News editor, well, this Sunday is going to be a busy day, but as you say the project is an important one, it should get good publicity. When did you say is the function? Teacher, this Sunday at 10 in the morning. Then the news editor said that on Sunday he will be busy, but as this project is important, so it should get good publicity. News editor बोले कि ये Sunday को बहुत वो बिज़ी है पर ये प्रोजेक्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट है तो उसकी अच्छी पब्लिसिटी होनी चाहिए. एंड ही आस्क्ड द टाइम ऑफ द फंक्शन. सो टीचर सेड इट इज़ ऑन संडे एट 10 इन द मॉर्निंग. संडे को सुबह 10 बजे. न्यूज़ एडिटर, फाइन, आई हैव मेड अ नोट ऑफ इट. टीचर, थैंक यू वेरी मच. So news editor said he had made a note of it, means he has set a reminder, okay? And teacher end this call by saying thank you. Student passed on the message to the parents. Here is a sample. Now we shall be learning how students pass on the message to their parents, okay? It is also another example of oral invitation, okay? Mummy, you and Daddy are invited to our school on Sunday the 9th, said Samir. What's the occasion? Our school is going to run a project called Seeing Eyes, Helping Hands. There is a function to inaugurate it on Sunday at 10 sharp. Students of 7th standards are invited with their parents. So a student whose name is Samir, he is passing a message to his parent that you are invited to the school on Sunday the 9th. Means 9th date को Sunday के दिन तुमको स्कूल में बुलाए है. So his mother asked, what's the occasion? To that he replied that the school is organizing a project called Seeing Eyes, Helping Hands, and its inauguration is on Sunday at 10 sharp. So the student of standard 7th are being invited with their parents. हमें स्कूल में क्या कर रहे हैं? प्रोजेक्ट इनॉग्रेट होने वाला है, इसीलिए 7th स्टैंडर्ड के स्टूडेंट्स को उनके पेरेंट्स के साथ बुलाए हैं. Where is it? In the school assembly hall. How long will it be? About an hour. Miss Naik will be there too. She is going to inaugurate it. Then his mother asks its venue and the length of the program. Okay, so Samir said that it will be in the school assembly hall and it will be about an hour long. स्कूल के असेंबली में होने वाला है और कम से कम ये 1 घंटे का 1 आवर का प्रोग्राम रहेगा और वहाँ पे मिस नाइक भी आने वाली है. I see. And what's this project about? Oh, we are all going to visit places and work for others turn by turn. They will explain that on Sunday. His mother asked the detail about the project. So he said that they will be visiting places and work for others. Okay, means they will help the person who need their help. They will work in turn by turn. And seeing eyes helping hands, this line means के हमें अपनी आँखों से हम अपने आँखों से देख सकते हैं, राइट. तो किसी को अगर हेल्प की ज़रूरत है तो फिर हमें उसकी हेल्प करनी चाहिए. एंड ही ऑल्सो सेड दैट मोर डिटेल्स विल बी गेटिंग ऑन Sunday. So you are going to participate in it, aren't you? Yes, mummy. Let's see. Daddy and I can't both go, but one of us will accompany you. That would be nice because Mr. Ajinkya has specially asked all the students to tell their parents about it. So his mother asked that, are you going to participate in it? Sami replied, yes, mummy. Then what did mother said? She said that both of them, that is she and Samir's daddy, both can't go together. But one of them will accompany him. दोनों एक साथ नहीं आ सकते पर दोनों में से एक कोई ज़रूर आएगा. Samir said that would be nice that his teacher Mr. Ajinkya has specially asked all the students to tell their parents. Okay, Mr. Ajinkya ने ये notice parents को बोले हैं. Okay, now our lesson is complete. By the end of this video, we have learned 3 types of invitation. One is formal, informal and oral. Hope you have understood this lesson. If you have any problem, write in the comment box. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.